Welcome back. So today I am going to discuss about PhotosPicker in SwiftUI. So in short, how to upload photos in SwiftUI app using PhotosPicker of SwiftUI. So let's get started. And before getting started, I want to tell you that PhotosPicker is a very important thing because in almost every applications you will need this feature, because I don't think any app will not need this feature, because in every apps you need to upload photos, so this feature is very important. So let's focus on the project. I created a new project, so let's see how we can use PhotosPicker. So let's state private. So let's import first. So import photos UI, and here state private var, and another one is for state private var image, and it should be UI image. Okay, and now let's remove this text, and I will show you a very simple photo speaker so that you can understand the basic of photo speaker. So let's photo speaker, and okay, so speaker selection, and this is not like this, so the AI generated something wrong. Now let's photo speaker, and yes, this is what we wanted, and select a photo, right, and close it. So far this will allow you. So let's design this thing: foreground color, font, headline, and foreground color blue, and padding, frame, so rounded. Okay, so let's see what it does. And so this not needed, so let's focus on the main thing, and design we don't need here. Okay, so here it will allow you to select photos from gallery, right? Okay, so you can select photo, but we need to display the photos, right? So let's add on change of, so selected item, new item in, and here mm, so let's see, image is equal to nil, and retrieve selected asset, yes, and okay, so task. Now let's add task, and then let's add the task. For example, mm, new item dot load image transferable result in, and then okay, so result. Okay, so not like this. Now let's see, mm, result in, let's make it data in, data in. Okay, or let's remove these things, and let's remove the guards and many things. Let's learn this very shortly. Okay, so all right, now if the selected item is changed, then it will assign the image like this. So now let's, if let image, image, then let's show image, UI image resizable, scale to fit. All right, so let's run this and see what happens. Build failed, so on change. Oh, very sorry. So it should not be there and it should be here only. So let's run. Build succeeded. Yes. So let's select a photo and let's see what happens. Okay, so you can see we selected a photo and it's showing here. Okay, right? We can select a photo. And so in next video, we will show you how to upload multiple videos. So let me know your questions in comments and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.